children, it's show and tell time again. Yeah! Today we've got some special friends with us, and we'll meet them one by one. First, let's have Jenny to introduce her animal friend to us. Yeah!
This is Rabbit Clara. She has soft white hair and red eyes. Carrots are the food she likes most. She is timid and she doesn't move much. She's lovely. Look at her red eyes. They are like rubies.
Wow, thank you, Jenny. It's a lovely rabbit, isn't it? Yeah. Now, the next animal can do one thing just like all of us here. And people keep it in a cage. Guess what it is?
I know, it's a bird.
Yes, but what kind of bird is it? Let's have Ken to tell us more about it.
Yeah.
My friend is a colorful parrot. His name is Perry. He likes eating seeds. He has a strong beak and he can speak. He keeps standing even when he's sleeping. Hello?
Wow, it's amazing. Perry can speak like us. Yes, he's beautiful and clever as well. Bye, Perry. Bye, Perry.
Okay, who's the next one?
It's my turn.
Mine is a lazy turtle. He likes eating small fish. He has a hard shell. He can hide himself in a shell when there is danger. Look, it's like a piece of stone.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Tom. Who's the next one?
Me. My pets can neither jump nor climb, but they can swim. They're my goldfish. The black one is Jack, and the orange one is Jill. I enjoy watching them swim freely around. They like eating bread. They're always hungry and greedy for food. Next time I'll bring my dog, and I'll bring my cat. If only I had a pet.
So, children, which animal do you like most?
All of them. They are very lovely.
Charles, how do you find them?
Interesting.
Thank you, children, for showing your lovely pets to us. Now, I'm going to show you a video.
Yay!
It's also about animals. But I'm afraid you can't keep these animals at home. Do you know why?
No.
Let's find out. After watching this video, you have learned more about animals in the wild. Do you know why we can't keep these animals at home?
They're too big. My flat is too small for them. They have to live near rivers or in dry places.
I know. They like running freely in the wild.
They're untamed. They might hurt us.
We can't feed them the food they like.
Very good. As you've noticed, wild animals like to be free. And they have the right to enjoy freedom as we do. Wild animals are very different from the pets you keep. Boys and girls, remember to take good care of your pets at home. I know some of you may want to keep pets. Do think it over carefully and talk to your mom and dad first.
Hello, Charles.
Hi, Dad.
How was your day at school?
Fine.
Did you enjoy the show and tell today?
It was okay.
Good. Glad to hear it.
Hi, Charles. You're back. I've got your favorite cake.
Thanks, Mom.
You don't look happy. What's wrong?
Mom and Dad, can I keep a pet?
Keep a pet? Better think twice about that. I think a pet can be quite troublesome.
But Dad...
You need to take very good care of a pet, you know. You need to spend a lot of time on it.
Can you promise to do that?
Certainly, Dad. Mom, please, can I keep a pet? Please.
All right, all right. You can keep any pets you want, but no dogs. I'm scared of dogs.
Hooray!
Thank you.
Hi, Polly.
Hi. Oh, hello. Oh, hi, Henry. Hi, Polly. Charles, you're here too. How's your dog? She's getting bigger. Her hair grows fast too. That's why I brought her here for grooming.
Oh.
Look at my dog.
Polly, do you like the green ribbons?
Yes, they're lovely. Her hair is clean and shiny. I like her look after grooming. By the way, Charles, what brings you here?
Mom and Dad have finally agreed to let me keep a pet at home. So Henry has taken me here to look for a handsome and healthy pet.
That's great, Charles. Now you can share our joy of keeping pets.
Yes.
Charles, have you decided what pet to get?
Yes, come here. Look at these hamsters.
They're lovely.
They're small but full of energy.
I've kept one before. I know they don't eat much. Look at that one. It curls up when it's sleeping. It looks so cute.
Excuse me, can I have a look at that hamster?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. It's so soft. I like its short tail too. I think Mom and Dad would like it. How should I take care of it?
You feed the hamster with this. Remember to give it some water too.
Okay, I'll take this one and I'll have 1 pack of hamster food.
Okay.
By the way, I'm going to take a pony riding lesson this weekend. Would you like to join me?
Oh, sure. Yes!
Pony ride? It was exciting.
You looked great.
Thank you. Oh, hi, Uncle Tom.
Hi,
These
Tom.
are my friends, Henry and Charles. It's their first time they've been here.
Really? First time? Hey, would you like to try washing the ponies?
Yes, I'd love
Me
to.
too.
So let's go. It's over there.
Okay.
You can try feeding it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
How often do you feed the ponies?
3 times a day.
What do ponies like to eat?
Hay, grain, sometimes carrots, and apples. Now try feeding the pony with some hay. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Actually, ponies also like candies. I got some right here.